Building websites shouldn't be a financial burden. Let's unlock the potential of Adobe Dreamweaver, possibly without spending a dime. First, embrace the free trial. Navigate to Adobe's official website, find Dreamweaver, and locate the clearly marked free trial option. Clicking it begins the sign-up process. You will likely need an Adobe account, so create one. If you don't have one, you might be prompted for basic details and a payment method, even for the trial, so familiarize yourself with the terms. Download and install Dreamweaver, and you'll have full access for a designated period. Next, explore subscription options. Even without immediate commitment, investigate different plans. Student or teacher discounts could significantly reduce the cost, as Dreamweaver is often included in bundles. Checking the Adobe website regularly can uncover promotional deals, potentially saving you money. Third, investigate alternative options. While Dreamweaver excels, other software exists. Some offer free versions or more affordable subscription tiers. Research options like Visual Studio Code with plugins or open source coding options as another path. Important reminder: always use software legally to support the developers. With research, you can access great web design tools and all the capabilities of Dreamweaver. So, start creating and happy website designing.